if you could make your own adorable collect book from just paper? And today, I'm giving you the Printable for free. Let's make this super cute Kawaii collect book together. First, laminate the printable. Then I'm cutting out the printable cover. Next, I'm making the spine. This helps the book open and close smoothly. Once it's taped together, it already starts looking like a tiny binder. Time to decorate! I'm attaching the cute cover design. Now for my favorite part. I'm adding the clear pockets inside. These came from an old photo album that we weren't using anymore. It's a great way to recycle something instead of throwing it away. If you're using small plastic bags, they'll work just as well. I love all the soft pastel colors. It makes the collect book look so aesthetic. Now let's add the collectible cards. These are all included in our free printable PDF. There are lots of adorable kawaii-style girl illustrations. Watching the pages fill up is so satisfying. Here's how everything looks finished. I think it turned out so cute. You can even make different collections with different themes. There are so many possibilities. If you'd like to make one too, don't forget to download the free printable PDF from the description. It includes both the collect book cover and all of these cute collectible cards, and plus many more. I hope you enjoyed today's DIY. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cute paper crafts every week. And let me know in the comments, which card is your favorite? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!